Hello there. Thank you for clicking in. Welcome to this video tutorial from Loving Every Stitch by Ruby Baby. I'm Ruby Baby, and yes, Ruby Baby is sung. If you know, you know. In this video, we're going to be working through foundation stitches together. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet foundation stitches. Okay, so we're going to start with foundation single crochets. So I have my yarn here and my big hook. We're going to start with a slip knot. Just like that, however you start your slip knots. Okay, so now we're going to start by chaining 2. So 1 and 2, and then we're going to go into the first chain, which is a stitch, and then we're going to insert our hook and draw up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1. That creates our foundation chain. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that's the actual single crochet. So now you see our V here. We're going to enter into that V, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1. That's our chain. Then yarn over and pull through 2, and that's our single crochet. So now we have 2 chains and 2 single crochets. Let's try that again. Insert into our V, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1, which is our chain, and yarn over and pull through 2, which is our single crochet. So there we have 3. And let's try that again. Okay, I'm just going to speed this up a little bit just so you can just see how they are formed. Just like that. And see, now we have a few here. We have our chain V stitches at the bottom, and then it looks the same at the top, and here's our single crochet stitches going across the top here. So let's just do a few more. I'm going to do about 10. So I have about 7 here, so I'm going to do 3 more. Pull a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2. Let's do 1 more. Okay. There. So now we have a chain of 10. Our V stitches at the bottom, and I'm gonna show you how it looks just to crochet the next row. So chain 1 and turn your work, and then we can work across our single crochets on the top, and then now you can just work like a regular single crochet. There you go. Okay, so now we have 2 rows of single crochet and foundation stitches. So this is what it looks like. You have your perfect V's at the top and your perfect V's at the bottom, just like that. Okay, so now that you got the single crochets down, half double crochets will be a breeze. You got it. You got it from here. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to start with a slip knot, just like this. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And so we have our 3 chains, and then we're going to yarn over and go into our first chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. And as you see here, we have 3 loops on our hook, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 1. That's our chain. We still have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook like a regular half double crochet. Now we yarn over and pull through our first stitch, both the V's. Yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's our second stitch made. Just like that. See, we have 1, 2. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and go into our V stitch. Just like that. Yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's how we do our half double crochets. So I'm going to go ahead on and make 10 stitches across. So continuing, inserting my hook into the V stitch, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. So I'm just going to silently go through this portion, and then I'll meet you back at 10 stitches. Okay, so I'm back at 10 stitches across. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And now I can carry on with regular half double crochets just like normal. And that's just yarning over, pulling through the loop, yarning over and pulling through all 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, all the way across. Just like that, and this is my last stitch. This is what we got. We have our foundation half double crochets. We have our V stitches on the top. We have our V stitches on the bottom. And it just looks just like that. Okay, so now we can move on to our foundation double crochet stitches. So I'm going to use this yarn here. We're going to start again with a slip knot as always. And to begin with this one, we're going to start by chaining 4. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to yarn over and pull into our first chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 1, and then commence to do a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's our first stitch. So we yarn over and pull through the V of our first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 1, which is our chain, and then we're going to do our double crochet. So that's our chain, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 like a regular double crochet. And that's our first 2 stitches. So yarn over, pull through our chain V stitch there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 for our chain, then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again for our double crochet. So see, we have 3 stitches on the top, 3 V stitches at the bottom. Okay, so we'll just continue making our foundation stitches just like that. So now I'm just going to continue and make my 10 stitches across just like that. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to chain 2, turn our work, and work our double crochets back across just like a regular double crochet now. Okay, so we made it back to the end of that row, and this is what our swatch looks like. Our double crochets, 2 rows, has our V-stitches on the top, V-stitches on the bottom, so nice and neat. And there you have it. All right, friends and cousins, so here you have our single crochet foundation patch, our half double crochet patch, and our double crochet patch for foundation stitches. One of the reasons why I love the foundation stitches is because it gives you less tension in your project, so you'll have more stretch with your stitches. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed walking you through these stitches. I hope that it helps you create great projects with foundation stitches. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Okay? Bye!